Hey guys, it's Tepco Cycle Repair, and today I'm going to be doing something pretty cool. This is the unboxing of a China Keihin carburetor. Okay, so we're going to open this thing up and check out what's in here, see what you get, and see if this is something you might be interested in. Now, the reason I'm getting this here is because, for one, I've heard a lot about them, heard a lot of people reviewing them, and but no, real video stuff or pictures of what it looks like inside. I'm going to open this thing up. I'm going to open the carburetor up. I'm going to get inside of it. I'm going to show you everything that it comes with and how you get it. My next video, I'm going to compare it with another Keihin that I have, a real one. I have a 38 millimeter on the bike now. And this one is going to be going on my CR250 build because it's way cheaper. And if I can get this thing to work and dial it in, we may be okay. So let's open this thing up here, and I'll show you what it comes with. All right, first off, it comes in this box right here. It's kind of a little loose in there, so let's cut it open and see. Alright, so looking at this here, here's some interesting stickers on this box. First off, you see the packaging here says made in China. Okay. Made in China. So, but look at this box here, look. Keihin Genuine Parts. Contents, Keihin Corporation. Made in Japan. Alright. Comes with a, so now this is one of the things that point out, I bought a 36 millimeter, so it says PWK 38 millimeter. Okay, this is all the markings on here that it comes with, 2-stroke, 4-stroke. It has this Sudco labeling on it. Let's get in here. Alright, for off-road use only. Alright, so it's got some weight to it. It doesn't feel cheap. Feels pretty decent so far. Here is, it's got some of the markings and stuff. I think they probably saw some of the stuff on some of the videos about how to identify a false one. And it says motorcycle race use only, Keihin. It's got the PWK here, but no serial number on it. It's got a little blue mark there. These hoses are unmarked hoses. There's no markings on them. But this is what the carburetor looks like. It's got the little Sudco sticker on there. Some more blue marks there. It's got another one here. Alright, well, let's open this thing up and see what's inside. First, let's see how that slide works in there. Alright, pretty good. It's got a weird catch right there. Let's see. Let's take the cap off and see what's under there. Look, another blue mark on the top. All right. So here's the spring for the slide. Okay. Now here, looking at the slide, you can see there's no marks on it. There's no marks there. No marks on the bottom. Okay, normally I haven't, this is supposed to be a number 7 slide, but there's no markings on it. I have a Keihin number 7, and of course it's got markings on it. So that's what that looks like there. Alright. See how loose that fits in there. I know that's a question some people have, is what kind of clearance there is. Okay, but we're going to compare that on the next video. So that's what that looks like. Let's open up the bottom and see what we got. Let's open up this bowl. Now we got another blue mark there. I'm going to take off these Phillips heads and see how well they come off and what they look like. They got the little dot there next to them. I think that That means that that's the Japanese size, I think. So stand by, let me get those off. So far they bit pretty good and come off. They didn't immediately strip. All right, let's open this bowl up. All right, so here's our inside of the bowl. All right, so here's our float. All right, let's pull these jets out. I'm going to pull the float out and pull the jets out and see what we got there. I don't think there's any markings on these. I don't see any markings on the jet. Let me get some tools and we'll pull this out. All right, so here's our float. All right, our float needle. Right, looking inside here, we have our jet. So let's pull out our main jet, and this is a regular main jet size here. Like as far as I'll be able to, it looks like I'll be able to replace this with the regular jet. Looks like it's got a little washer right there. That's what that looks like there. I don't know what size this is supposed to be in here. I'll look it up. I will post it on the video here. All right, let's pull out the pilot jet. All right, so there's our pilot jet. Again, no numbers on it, so who knows what size this is supposed to be here. Hole looks clean on the inside. Look inside there, it looks all right. Put that back in. They're using the same tamper-proof screws here. All right, these are tamper-proof Torx screws to hold the throttle block on here. Some casting marks right there. I'm going to look at and probably, I don't know if you can see that in there. You see that? A little casting mark right there. I'll probably clean that up if I can. Because I don't want that coming off and clogging anything up. Everything else here, there's our for our choke circuit. That looks good. Choke plunger, idle. The bore is clean. Tell you what, nothing looks really bad in here. It looks pretty good. There's a little bit of oil on everything. Looks like a light coating. Alright guys, but I wanted to show you what this looks like and what these what these look like when you get them. Of course, if you get them from different places, who knows what you'll get. But as far as this one goes, this is what I got. This carburetor cost me $45. But you know, I know I'm buying it. I know that this is a fake one. So what I'm going to do for you guys in the next video is do a comparison with a real Keihin carburetor. This is a 36. I have a 38, so we'll compare with that. They're basically the same. They both have a number 7 slide. This one says it's coming with a number 7 slide, so we'll check that out. The floats and everything should be the same. And then I'm going to put it on the bike and I'll fire it up with the stock jets the way they gave it here. And the jets are listed in the listing, so I'll take a look at that. I'll run it like that, and then I'll jet it and see how it does. So I'm also going to show you in another video what wears in these things that's non-replaceable, and it makes these carburetor, not this carburetor, but an actual Keihin carburetor, non-serviceable for some of the parts. So hopefully you guys like this video. Please hit the subscribe button if you want to see what I'm going to do with this carburetor and what the comparison looks like when I compare it with a standard Keihin carburetor. And please hit the like button. And guys, I will see you on the next one. It's TEPCO Cycle Repair.